So as the saying goes, the first impression always makes the lasting impression. I'm just here today to share a very short story, and I'm very sure it's going to help at least one or two people out there. This is about something that I think should be talked about more, but we don't talk about it too much. And it's really about our newbies joining the corporate space, especially for the first time. So when I landed my first corporate job, one of my coworkers sent me a meeting invite, right? And instead of me to respond to that meeting invite by just clicking the yes or no or tentative button, I responded to the email to say, yes, I shall be there. The second time she sent a meeting invite, I did the same thing. The third time she sent a meeting invite, I did the same thing. I guess that's when she realized that, okay, I don't know what I'm doing. And then she laughed at me so bad, and then she nicely walked to my desk, and then she showed me where to click to just accept the meeting invite. Man, I thought that was extremely embarrassing. And throughout my stay in that organization, I wasn't able to fix that. I wasn't able to take that perception off her head, and it was not just a good feeling because she already knows where I sleep and put my head, So the purpose of sharing this story is to bring this to your attention. If you're getting into the corporate space, you have to at least know how to deal with Outlook. That's the one that is commonly used, or Gmail. Those are the ones that are really commonly used. Please learn how to schedule a meeting invite. Learn how to deal with set up conference rooms, especially if it's an in-person. Learn how to add links, Zoom link or whatever you're adding. If it's a virtual meeting, learn how to do that. Learn how to set out of office on your calendar, or OOO on your calendar. Those are the basic things that you at least have to know. Learn how to set recurring meeting on your calendar. Go on YouTube, go on Udemy, or you can reach out to us, we'll mentor you. But to say that you don't want to go and be so embarrassed as I was, please do these little things. I'm very sure it's going to help you. If this video was helpful to you, or if it resonates with you, please share your own story in the comment section. Just let me know. All right. Thank you.